Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, this is the episode where I'm going to give away a drone to one lucky subscriber to my channel because it is you guys, the subscribers, that have given me subscribers over 100,000. That's quite an accomplishment because I did not expect that. You see, I've been doing YouTube for some time now, many different channels, and it's like the spaghetti scenario. You just throw it at the wall, whatever sticks. That's what you go with. So if I look at my YouTube history, I did like electronic reviews. That was a terrible channel. Never really took off. Then I did motorcycle adventures. That was pretty good. And I was having a lot of fun with it. So were my motorcycle buddies until myself and all my buddies, we all crashed our motorcycles. Yes, and even made a video about it. So that channel went defunct. So I don't have a lot of YouTube channels that really were successful. I did have my guitar channel, which was really good. I've been playing guitar since the age of 13. So along my long life, I've collected many different guitars, and I made this YouTube channel, which was pretty good because I would just play the guitars to popular songs through different amplifiers that I owned, and people would listen, and those with a really good ear who could hear a difference in tone with the make of the wood, the strings, the electronics, could tell a difference and decide if they wanted to buy the guitar. It was really popular and it was doing really well until YouTube came along and told me that I cannot play other people's songs because they were getting upset and they wanted to monetize my videos and take all the money and all the credit. So, you know, that was years ago, so I just gave up on that channel. And then I made a separate channel all about drones, and this is it. And you're watching it today, and I'm up to 100,000 subscribers because of you guys. So the drone I'm giving away, which you saw in the title, is this one back here. Let me just grab it. The 249-gram DJI Mavic Mini. Yes, this drone could be yours. Well, not this one, because this one's mine, and I kind of love this drone, but I'll get you a brand new one of your very own. Now, to give you a brand new one, I can only give one of you one because it's coming out of my money. The only way I can do it is to run a simple contest like I've ran in the past. What I'm going to do is below this video, you're going to see 3 questions. All you have to do is answer those 3 questions in a comment below this video. The answers to those questions can be found at the links. 3 links below this video. Yes, check out those links. It's going to take you to 3 different websites, and you'll find the answers to the questions on those websites, and you just post them below. Now, like in all my contests, what I'm going to do is midway through the week, I'm going to change the questions because people get into the habit of just copying other people's answers and posting them below. And it's a really simple contest because I'm going to pick the winner randomly. Yeah, I'm just going to use the YouTube random comment generator, and I'm going to pick a winner. That winner that I pick has to be subscribed to this channel. You got to be subscribed before you find out you're the winner. If you win and you're not a subscriber and then you go, oh, I'm going to subscribe now, it doesn't work that way. So be a subscriber ahead of time. And more importantly, I'm not going to take the drone from my house and ship it to your location. I'm just going to type in your address on the DJI website when I buy the drone, and DJI will just ship it to your address. Now, if DJI does not ship to your country, your address, well then you cannot win the DJI Mavic Mini. Sorry. That's it. It's that easy to win the Mavic Mini. And as I always say with this here channel on YouTube, it's just a hobby. I have a day job. Yeah, everybody asks me what my day job is, but I can't tell you, and there's a reason I can't tell you, but maybe when I retire I can tell you what my day job is. But for now, This is just a hobby channel and it takes up a lot of my time, more than I'd like. But it is winter. Speaking of winter, check out how much snow we have. I have never seen this much snow in this area at this time of the year, and there's many more snowstorms on the way, so you're going to see me outside in the snow, freezing, and probably a lot more reviews coming up. So to sum up, thank you, enter the contest, win yourself a Mavic Mini, and stay tuned for more videos. Oh, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. That's my classic ending, so thumbs up are always appreciated. All right, guys, take care. Catch you in a new video coming up in the future.